Hey, this is Andrea over at Kalispell Auto Group, and we're gonna help you guys learn how to check your oil and top it off if needed. So if you come with me, we're gonna go ahead and get this hood open. Right inside, driver's side, there's gonna be a handle right here. You go ahead and pull that handle. It's almost on any make and models in the same location. Once you pull that handle, it actually releases the lock up in the front of your hood. Once you've pulled that handle and you've released it, there's gonna be a catch underneath. Sometimes you gotta push them, sometimes you gotta pull them, sometimes you gotta slide them to the left or to the right. It's pretty easy. Once you figure yours out, it'll come right open for you. Depending on your year, make, and model, Volkswagen, this one happens to be brown. Sometimes they're yellow, sometimes they're orange, sometimes they're black. This is your dipstick. Grab a clean paper towel, go ahead and pull it straight out. Kind of collect any of that excess oil off the tip so that you can clean it off fully. Once it's nice and clean and dry, you're gonna go ahead and set it right back inside the vehicle. Now as you pull it out, you're gonna kind of hold it, tip it to the side a little bit, and you're gonna see where the oil falls on your line. Now if you notice on this one, you have a minimum mark and you have a max mark. You want to be right in here in the middle where these hashes are. That is where your perfect level should be. Once that's checked, you're good to go. You can go ahead and put that back in the vehicle. If for whatever reason you do need to add some oil, you will always find a cap on it. It usually has a picture of a little oil right here. It's gonna tell you to look in the owner's manual so you know exactly what type of oil you need, and or it'll be on the vehicle on one of the lumbering stickers up in the front. So this particular vehicle is going to take anything that complies with 502, which is a Volkswagen brand. Your vehicle could say anything from 0-20, 530, 1040. It depends on what your make, model, and type of engine you drive. All right, once we've decided that we need to add some oil, this cap, you're gonna go ahead and turn it counterclockwise. Once it releases, it's usually a quarter turn to a half turn. You're gonna go ahead and pull it right up. You're gonna go ahead and grab your funnel, and you're gonna get your funnel set right in there. Volkswagen's a little different. A lot of them will kind of screw in and be set for you. Your vehicle, you might have to use a regular funnel, kind of put it in the hole and then fill from there. Once that's in, go ahead and put in about a half a quart to 1 quart, no more than that. Once that's done, you're gonna go ahead and remove the funnel, put the lid back onto your vehicle, and then you wanna go ahead and start it up. You wanna start it up, let the oil get warm so it gets to its proper level. Once it's warm, after about 2-3 minutes, go ahead and turn the engine off and double check your dipstick to make sure you have enough oil in it. If you have any questions, give one of your service advisors a call at either one of the dealerships. Have a good one.